away and let them treat us like dirt because we dare to love each other.
Yes, if that is what it takes to survive.
What between us is to fix your mess.
So two humans can't just walk across the street without this relationship closing into the matter.
Kekefi and something.
You
can maybe go somewhere else and look for whom to buy with your money. That's definitely not me.
Well, you just know how to slip off in my son.
What you mean? What tell you now? We say, if me no get you, nobody for this community will get you.
Go. Since when they start to use beauty, say buy fish for this village?
Oh, don't insult my sensibility. What are you trying to say?
I want him, yes, but I don't kill him.
And I will not believe you.
Promise me,